Hi everyone, welcome to the Crafty Corner. This is Katrina. If you're new here, welcome. If you're a returning subscriber, here's another concept that I put together. This is one of the small gift bags that I got from Dollar Tree. And in this bag, I filled the windows in the front as well as the inside of the bag. And I put one of the journal notebooks in the back. So in this concept, I use the makeup brushes from City Trend along with a compact mirror. I also put an emery board in here with my handmade cases that they go in, and I put some Bible verse stickers down in that other front panel there. And there's also one of the Give It to God cases next to the notebook, right here in the corner there. I think this concept has turned out really nice. I topped it with a bow at the handles, and I will be making several more of these concepts here. I think it turned out really pretty and will make a great gift as a grab and go. So please tell me what you think in the comments. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. Be blessed, but most importantly, be a blessing.